Okay, guys, today we're going to look at exponents, which are when you have a number that has a smaller number up in the air beside it. This is called an exponent. When we do this, we're really only looking at place value. And the exponent is going to tell you the place of the number. So let's say I have 3 times 10 to the third. You call it, it's like an ordinal number. You say what place it is. So 3 times 10 to the third. This 3 means that there will be 3 zeros after the 1. So it would be in the 1,000s place. Okay, so the 3 I will put in my thousands place, and I will have, the value will be 3,000. 10 to the third times 3 is 3,000. Okay, let's say I have 7 times 10 to the first. This means that there is 1 0 after my 1. So that's a 10. So 7 times 10 to the first would be 7D with 1 0. What about 8 times 10 to the second? 10 to the second would mean that there are 2 zeros after my 1, which would mean it would be 100. So 8 times 100 would be 800. Now on your test, they will have 2 or possibly 3 numbers added together with exponents like this. 3, that's terrible. 3 times 10 to the second plus 2 times 10 to the first. So here I'm thinking I have a 3, and what is 1 with 2 zeros behind it? Well, that's 100. So I have a 3 in the hundreds place. Now I'm not going to write anything else because I have another number over here. I have a 2. This one is going to be a 1 with 1 0, which is a 10. So that means I have a 2 times 10 is a 20. So that means I have a 2 in the tens place. And then I have to put a 0 to make it be hundreds and tens. So my answer would be 320. Okay, let's try this one. 4 times 10 to the fourth plus 2 times 10 to the 0. Okay, 4 times 10 to the fourth. That would be a 1 with 4 zeros. That would be 10,000. Okay, so the 0 means I have a 1 with 0 zeros. So that will be 1. So I have 4 times 10,000 would be 40,000, and 2 times 1 would be 2. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 8 times 10 to the negative 1 plus 3 times 10 to the negative 2. Anytime you have a negative exponent, it means you have a decimal. Okay, this would be 1 place to the left. No, to the right. This would be 2 places to the right. So this right here would be your tenths place, and this right here would be your hundredths place. So I have 8 tenths and 3 hundredths, which makes 83 hundredths. Let's try 10 times 4, 10 to the third times 10 to the third times 4 plus 10 to the negative 1 times 8. Okay, this one right here would be 1 with 3 zeros, so that would be 1,000 times 4. So that 4 is going to be in the thousands. This would be the tenths times 8. So I would have 4,000 8/10ths. Make sure you do not put any extra zeros at the end. They will count this wrong. It has to be as simple as you can. Okay, last one. Let's say we have 3 times 10 to the 4th plus 4 times 10 to the 2nd plus 8 times 10 to the negative 2nd. Okay, 4 zeros. So that would be 1, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. So that would be 30,000. 4 times 1 with 2 zeros would be 100. So 400. 8 times 10 to the negative 2 would be 8/100ths. That one is hard. I don't see that there will be one like this on there, but you have to know what these exponents mean. Good luck!